Okay, so here's a mystery for you folks at home. In my refrigerator, actually the freezer, here is mysterious orange glow coming from the rear of the fridge. I don't know what this is, why this is. There's nothing orange back there. There's no light source back there. I tried turning off the lights in the kitchen, thinking maybe it was some sort of weird reflection. No. Now if I open the refrigerator, the light comes on, and you get that. So, I think maybe my freezer is the portal to hell. Maybe. You two play nice, will you? Oh, stop.